The Royal Navy's decision to equip its elite Royal Marines with over 1,500 Sig Sauer MCX rifles marks a significant leap forward in enhancing the operational effectiveness of the UK Commando Force. This strategic purchase, valued at £6 million, is a key part of the modernization efforts underway within the Royal Marines, aimed at improving their ability to handle complex and diverse military operations, particularly in counter-terrorism scenarios. This acquisition not only replaces the older Colt Canada-produced rifles previously used by the Commando Force but also aligns with the broader goal of refining the Navy's capabilities. The new Sig Sauer MCX rifles will be used to strengthen the special operations capabilities of the Royal Marines, enabling them to better tackle high-intensity missions across the globe. The decision to procure the MCX is the culmination of extensive testing and evaluation by the Royal Marines, who conducted a series of rigorous drills to assess its performance in various real-world conditions. These tests, which included force-on-force exercises and live-fire trials, confirmed the MCX as an ideal tool for the diverse environments and high-pressure situations the Royal Marines face. Its adaptability and reliable performance make it an invaluable addition to the force, complementing the newly issued Knights Armament Stoner 1, KS-1, general use rifle. The MCX rifles are seen as an essential component of the UK Commando Force's ongoing transformation. As the force evolves to meet the demands of modern warfare, these weapons will provide a tactical advantage in missions ranging from counter-terrorism to specialized military operations. Lieutenant Colonel Ali Osborne, a member of the Commando Force program team, underscored the importance of this acquisition, noting that the rifles reinforce the Navy and Defense's commitment to enhancing the capabilities of the Royal Marines. The Royal Marines' Littoral Response Groups, which combine amphibious ships, aircraft, vehicles and commandos, will also benefit from the added strength and reliability of the SIG MCX rifles. These groups are designed to offer a rapid response force capable of engaging in global crises and special operations, and the MCX will be integral to the force's operational success. This procurement is part of the larger Project Hay, named after the legendary Royal Marine Ronnie Hay, a World War II fighter pilot known for his daring exploits during the Dunkirk evacuation and the Battle of Britain. His courage and service serve as an enduring source of inspiration for the ongoing transformation of the Royal Marines into a modern, highly capable force. Under Project Hay, the Royal Marines have played a key role in shaping the MCX's configuration. Commandos provided valuable feedback after participating in extensive field testing, which was critical in ensuring that the rifle met the specific needs of the Commando Force. This process follows the success of Project Hunter, which saw the introduction of the KS-1 rifle into service. Together, these initiatives highlight the Royal Marines' commitment to maintaining a cutting-edge operational advantage through modern equipment and tactical innovation. Through these investments, the Royal Navy is positioning the Royal Marines as a formidable force on the global stage, prepared to face the evolving challenges of modern warfare with the best tools available.